The following question states that a charged particle is in the electric field between two horizontal metal plates. So there's a charged particles and they are charged plates, and they're connected to a battery as shown. There's a force F on the particle due to the electric field. So there is going to be an electric field. This is going to be the positive plate because it's connected to the positive terminal of the battery. This over here is going to be your negative plate. So the electric field would be pointing downwards from positive to negative. The separation of the plates is doubled. So right now this charge over here is experiencing a force F. So force F, as mentioned over here, is being experienced currently in its original state. But now what they're doing is that the separation of the plates is doubled, and they're asking what is the new force on the particle. So let's first define the electric field that is being experienced by this particular particle over here. The electric field is force per charge. So let's say there is V volts on that's coming from the battery, and the distance over here is let's say it's X meters. So V volts and X meters. So the electric field is going to be V over X. And let's say the charge on the particle is Q. So what we are going to do is, if the charge is Q, then the force is basically equal to Q into E. So it's going to be multiplied by the charge which we have taken as Q. So this over here is going to be the force that would be experienced by the particle in its original form. Now, if we double the plates, if the separation of the plates is doubled, the formula pretty much, the expression would be the same. The separation is doubled, so X would become 2X. The separation over here is going to be increased, so it's doubled. So it was X previously, now it's 2X. Voltage from the battery that's on the plates, between the plates, is exactly the same. Nothing has happened to it. The charge of the particle is also the same. So the force now is V over 2X. So previously it was V over X into Q. Now it's V over 2X into Q. So the only factor that came in between was this factor of 2. It's the new force is being divided by this extra 2 over here. So the new force would be F by 2. Previous force was V over X into Q. The new force that we have when the separation is doubled is going to be V over 2X. So it's being divided by 2. So the correct answer is going to be option B.